I'd like some whiskey, but I'll wait till after the show. So, I'd like to give my mom some credit for something. She was for a lot of things. Both of my parents actually, they very much appreciate music, and so growing up, they allowed me to listen to whatever I wanted, and they never censored anything, and she allowed me to explore, and, you know, one of the people that I looked up to and admired was Michael Jackson, and I couldn't not include him in the show. So, you know, this song is a great tune. It's from his 1982 album, Thriller. It's not Thriller. I'm not doing that. That'll be for the next show. But what I like about this song is that it kind of answers the question, why do people do certain things?
Electric eyes are everywhere.